Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to start by introducing myself. My name is Flsp with number name 2021-001. And my college name is?
And my name is Miranda Zamzam Wijaya, number name 2021-007.
My name is Yesya Dinastari, 2021-06.
I'm a 2021 student from the Faculty of Social and Political Science, majoring in Sociology. As you can see on the screen, our topic today is about society, and I will start by explaining about the notion of society. Understanding society according to two characters. The first, society is a group of people who have lived and worked together long enough that they can organize themselves as a social unit with clearly definite boundaries. Understanding society according to Raplington. The second, society is people who live together who produce culture. Understanding society according to Silo Sumarjan. The next slide will be explained by Yesi Arjuna Astari.
Individual. The individual is the smallest unit that makes up society. Crown are individual bound together. So the individual is an individual human who has a specific personality and behavior, and also has a role in his social environment. Important personal traits. Individuals have two sides of important characteristics. Individual being, creating ego individualism. Social being, adaptability to accept values, whether the values is considered true or false. The next slide will be explained by Miranda Samsa.
Community elements. Humans who live together, mixed for quite a long time, constitute as a unique living system together. The next slide will be explained by Faktavina.
Meeting community needs. These two needs are interrelated. For example, to achieve comfort and safety in walking, an adequate physical road building is needed. Physical needs such as roads, bridges, hospital must be met. The road network, which is the main means of land transportation, is very important because, as we know, roads are the lifeblood of the economy, while an increasing economy is needed as a support for development. The next slide. Next slide. Types of society. There are two types of society, namely as follows. The first, homogeneous society, is one species as a unitary structure. The second, heterogeneous society, is a multicultural with various identities, races, religions, and cultures. The characteristic of heterogeneous society can be described as follows. The first, people with the same racial, religious, and cultural identity and tend to follow a lifestyle with the same cultural character. The second, the implication is that there is a common value system. The third, there is strong control. The fourth, there is a shared value. And the last, community is understood as a unified identity. Individuals are controlled by shared value. The next slide, conclusion about the society will be explained from Miranda Zamzam.
Conclusion, society and culture cannot be separated because society is a container of culture itself, thus giving birth to a culture that is considered as living values for society. with the existence of a culture caused by the existence of humans themselves. Culture will only grow in people who gather a lot or people who live in various ethnic groups. The existence of social and cultural values that develop in society is something that confirms that society and culture cannot be separated. Likewise, with social and cultural values that are formed on the incorporation of cultural elements that exist in society.
Thank you for your attention. Before I stop or I finish, let me say there is more or less we apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.